Good morning, everyone. I'm Tess, and I'm starting out this morning by making a breakfast fried rice. Come join me and I will show you how I make my bacon and egg fried rice recipe. I made some jasmine rice yesterday along with a stir fry, and now I have some leftovers. This morning I'm making a breakfast stir-fried rice with bacon and eggs. I'm starting by scrambling some eggs. I have my skillet on medium heat, and I'm adding in some butter and 3 large whisked eggs. I'm cooking and chopping the eggs into pieces until done and then removing from the pan. Next, in the same pan, I'm cooking some bacon until crispy, removing and draining on a paper towel and then crumbling into pieces. You can also use sausage for this recipe. Remember to reserve about 2 to 3 tablespoons of the bacon fat. Just a reminder that you'll be able to find this recipe, the list of ingredients, and much more in the Show More section below. I've also included links where you can purchase online some of the ingredients and the equipment that I use in this video recipe. If you have a chance, please check it out. On medium heat, I'm adding in the whites of about 4 garden onions, along with some finely diced bell peppers, a pinch of salt, and black pepper. Cooking and stirring for a minute, and then I'm adding in some minced garlic. Cooking and stirring for another minute, and then I'm adding in the rice. For this recipe, I used about 3 loosely packed cups of cooked rice. Cooking and stirring to combine for about 1 to 2 minutes. You can see this goes quickly, so you want to have everything prepped and ready before you cook. A lot of the prepping you could do the night before. You can even cook the eggs and bacon ahead of time and just assemble everything in the morning. And who says this has to be just for in the morning? It could be eaten any time of the day or night. For the seasoning, I'm adding in a couple tablespoons of light soy sauce and a tablespoon of oyster sauce, giving that a good stir. And we're almost done. In goes the eggs and bacon and another good toss. I'm turning off my heat, adding in some chopped green onions, another good toss, and breakfast is ready. It smells so good. As you can see, this will feed a hungry family, and this recipe is great for using those leftovers. All the flavors of breakfast wrapped up into a delicious fried rice stir-fry. I hope you give this bacon and egg breakfast fried rice a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love.